If something can't be factored, it's what's called a prime quadratic. So giving you two examples, if we have x squared minus x plus 9, well, using our AC method, we would say 1 times 9 is 9, and we want factors of 9 that equal negative 1. Well, the factors of 9 are 1 and 9, negative 1 and negative 9, 3 and 3, and negative 3 and negative 3. The first ones added together equal 10. Add these two together, we get negative 10. Add these two, we get 6. And add these two, we get negative 6. So none of these equal negative 1, what we need to be able to factor it. Therefore, this is what's called prime, or it doesn't factor. Another example would be x squared minus 4x plus 15. Because if I take my AC of 15, my factors could be 1 and 15, negative 1 and negative 15, 3 and 5, and negative 3 and negative 5. Well, the first two add together to be 16. The next two add together to be negative 16. Then we get 8 and negative 8. None of these equal negative 4, what we need. Therefore, this is once again called prime, or it cannot be factored.